Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an offer to your favorites on the Holidu application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on the search button down below and select your destination, check-in, check-out date and the number of guests. Then click on the search button. Here you will be able to browse among all of the relevant offers and tap on the one that you find interesting. Check it out, and if you want to save it for later, click on this heart icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. As you go back to the previous page, you can check them out in the favorite section down below, which is the second icon. So here you can find the offer that you have saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.